I'm Kaya Riverman. I'm an assistant professor here at University of Portland in the Environmental Studies department, and I'm also a glaciologist. I study glaciers and how they move and flow and change over time. Here at UP, I teach glaciology and then also climatology. And so as a scientist, I get to ask these seemingly really simple questions like, how thick is this glacier? What's underneath it? Why is it flowing and moving in the way that it is? What's called a supraglacial stream. So that's a point where water is flowing on top of the glacier. So supra on top of glacial, supraglacial stream. This kind of work, we're doing it not just here on campus, but actually out in the environment. Just this week, my students were out in the parks of North Portland sampling the trees to get climate records from the trees. In my glaciology class, we actually go up to Mount Hood, and we're studying up there how the glaciers are impacted by climate change. I love getting students out into that environment because it gives them that experiential learning, actually being in that place, taking measurements of what is the impact of climate change. I want my students to, when they step outside, look at the landscape and have some sense of, here's why this space is what it is. By triggering my students' curiosity, I think I keep them engaged and excited about learning more.